What's up, fam? Give me 1 second. For some reason having some kind of technical difficulty. I don't even know if I'm streaming on the right YouTube channel. I'm just confused as to why I can't find the link. Oh, here it is. Okay, so I am. Am I live on the right channel? Um, I am live on the right channel. Fantastic. Okay, give me like 2 seconds. If you're watching this and it's not live, go ahead and skip forward like 60 seconds at most. I'm just gonna put this on Twitter. Make sure people know that I'm here. Put this on Discord so people know that I'm here because right now nobody knows I'm here. All right. Boom. It is on Twitter. Fabulous. Perfect. I'll put it in Discord real quick. Why does it have that as the fucking what? Oh my god. All right, whatever. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Why does it not have the right thumbnail? What the fuck is this thumbnail that it has? That's literally not the thumbnail I used. All right. Well, whatever. What's up? What's up? I'm gonna have to fix that, I guess, because that's not even a thumbnail that I have in there. Give me like 10 more seconds. I'm so confused why there were so many issues with this stream. Why did this one not work out? No, it has the right thumbnail. That's weird that it doesn't work. Okay, whatever. Start right now. What's up, fam? Welcome to the Joyous Kingdom. In today's video, we're going to do a crypto market news update. There's some big stories that happened recently. It's been a week. It's probably since I made any kind of crypto-related video. I've been in NFT NYC. I had daily uploads coming out, but they're all NFT-related. It had to be stuff that I could film and post over the course of a week and not have it be risking of changing. Like if I filmed the crypto update of last week, posted it today, it wouldn't even be relevant anymore. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Solana having some huge issues. We're going to have Robinhood potentially being bought out by another company. Of Goldman Sachs potentially shorting, or not shorting, but screwing over a couple of different companies. We got a lot of different things, a lot of interesting things to talk about today. So if you're excited to get into it, subscribe to the channel, join the kingdom, hit that like button for me. If you're in the chat especially, smash the like button for me. I appreciate you all being in here. If you're already following me on Twitter, if you're not, my Discord down below in the description. You are only hurting yourself, fam. If you're not already, let's get into this video. Okey-doke. Cryptocurrency, $930 billion market cap, 24-hour volume of $54 billion. Market dominance for Bitcoin, 42%. We scroll down here. Bitcoin's hovering around the 20K mark, 20.7. With ETH hovering a little bit under $1,200. Everything else, I mean, it's just nothing crazy. You know, everything's still super low. Obviously, like Cardano's at 50 cents. Solana's at 30 cents. I saw Alex Becker talking about I think it was Solana he was talking to me. He said anything under $30 he feels good. Dollar costing his way into. I'm a little bit more hesitant, to be honest. You know, a lot of the big influencers are talking about dollar costing into altcoins. For me, I'm not really messing with altcoins too much yet. It's just too risky right now. So I'm not even dollar costing I'm not dollar costing anything yet. But when I do, it will be Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to make sure my bag and my savings is good, and then cash reserves on the side first. I'm going to build that up first before I dollar cost weight into anything else, because I want to be able to capitalize. Like if the market totally crashed, if it totally went into just like a destruction from here, even, I want to make sure I have cash to deploy. I don't want to be investing yet. There's no rush right now for me. So check out the Bitcoin yearly chart right now. This is the year chart, by the way, super zoomed out. This is bad. All right, down bad. Yeah, there's no other way to put it. Bear market right now. All right, Solana, biggest DeFi lender, almost got wrecked. Then Binance stepped in. So we look at here. This is a really interesting story. And there's a reason there's whales in this photo here, right? Essentially, a multi-million-dollar margin call was about to happen, basically meaning everything was going to go down the drain. And people are panicking because they're like, why are they not making a move? Why are they not adding more money in? Why are they not making any moves? Why are they just sitting there as if nothing's happening? And everyone's freaking out. Apparently, their single largest user, a wallet with $107 million of USDC, borrowed against 170 million Solana as collateral, was on the verge of liquidation and completely MIA, and people were freaking out. And apparently, who was it? Someone was able to get in contact with him. I believe it was Binance, right? Yeah, I think Binance was able to get in contact with the person. whoever it is, it must be an exchange. Like, I don't know who the fuck has so much money. And honestly, so what would have happened if got in contact with this whale is it would have just gone under. And so for anyone out there, if you have your money in anything, like honestly for me, it's tough. Like unless my money is in a ledger, a cold wallet, or my bank account, I feel unsafe. And honestly, I feel unsafe within my bank account. I don't feel safe with it anywhere other than my ledger in my home. That is like with my own key. That is the only money that's truly yours. Your bank could shut you down. Your bank could go bankrupt. Your bank could freeze your withdrawals. And it's happening all the time in crypto as well. I'm talking about like the normal bank, but the cryptocurrency, like Coinbase, like Voyager, like the ones that we have been able to trust in the past, anything that's crypto native for me, I'm out. I don't care. I only use Coinbase right now if I'm taking money out of the crypto and like putting it right into my bank account because it has instant transfers. I'm not messing with Coinbase. I'm not messing with Voyager. I'm only messing with platforms that have been proven for multiple years already and have not just crypto. Like if they're doing stocks and other things, I just feel safer on those. But currently, I'm not really messing with anybody. All my money's in ledgers and bank accounts right now, which it's not great. You're not earning any money in your sleep from that, but it's like at this point, there's not even worth the risk for me. So I feel like for most people, that's not financial advice, but I mean, that's where my head's at least. Robinhood shares spike in report. FTX may be seeking to acquire Robinhood. I'm down, dude. I like FTX so far. We'll see what happens. It could also be one of those things like how Coinbase shot up to the top and it's just slowly kind of crumbled down, which we'll get into this final story. FTX might be that new one where FTX has all this momentum. Everyone right now is sponsored by FTX, right? So hopefully your boy will be one day. But FTX right now is the main mover. They're talking about acquiring Robinhood. I think this would be a huge dub for FTX because people hate Robinhood. And I think if they were like, we're going to rebrand it, we're going to put our name on it, we're going to put some funding behind it, we're going to make sure this is a legit thing now. Otherwise, Robinhood, I mean, shit, I haven't traded on Robinhood since I pulled out my Dogecoin like a year and a half ago. So who knows? But that's basically what's happening. We'll see. This is all speculation. This just came out like in the last day or so. Finally, our last story. Goldman Sachs cuts Coinbase to sell due to falling crypto prices and industry activities. Shares drop. So essentially, Goldman Sachs had Coinbase listed as neutral before yesterday and now changed it to sell option, saying, hey, your rating has turned from neutral, like you're okay, maybe we will sell, maybe we'll buy, to like, now we're going to probably sell. We shouldn't be buying this coin. And so that's not good, right? Because that's the stock, that's the valuation, and that's also in control of a lot of people's money. And so if they're losing a lot of their money and a lot of their funding, a lot of trust in their own platform, it's not good for anybody. And they've already cut 18% of all workforce in their own company, which is a terrible sign, by the way, because they have so much fucking money in the bull run. Where did all that money go? Why have they not allocated it better? I have no idea. I don't know where their money and investments was, but it's not in their bank account because they had to lay off 18% of their workforce. And guess what? It's not even the end. They literally are still going to keep firing people. They're like, we still need more people to fire. Not good, dude. This is not good. For me, that's huge L's. I mean, look at this. Coinbase was trading with a market cap of $11.5 billion when they were in the bull run. Now at $3.8 billion. That's their net cash position in the first quarter of 2022. That's a negative 3.5, 4x right there. That's wild. That is not good. It looks like they have maybe had their money in a lot of places that were high leverage. Maybe they're keeping things like UST kind of thing where they had like a lot of passive income coming in with the amount of money you're holding. Like if you have $11 billion in reserves and you have that in high income, like 9% returns or something, it's a lot of money you're getting back, but you're lending it out. So it's at high risk as well. You can't have high risk, high reward, you can't have high reward without high risk. You get both. You either do low reward, low risk, which is like keeping your money in a bank account, basically nothing, or in something that's like 1 or 2% to 4% yield, or you have it at 9 and above. Some of them are in the thousands percent yield, and 1,000% yield return. You should be pulling your money out every 10 seconds. That's the level of risk you're at, and that's what people are doing in the bull run. In the bear run, obviously that's not the same case. People aren't doing shit like that. And then super quick, last second here. A lot of people are saying that that NFT projects were kind of making a comeback here. From NFT NYC, from the charts, it doesn't look like that's actually true. For me, and a lot of the NFT projects I pay attention to, I do think that they were up. A lot of projects are up. But as far as volume and activity on OpenSea, holy shit, it's bad. It's really, really bad. And NFT NYC started on the 21st around, and it literally has not done jack shit. I mean, a tiny little spike up here, but like that's not even a thing. Like really, really bad on OpenSea and NFTs right now. I made a video the other day about NFTs I'm buying in the bear market. If you watch that actual video, it's not projects I'm buying. right? It's a title. I have to get people to click the video. Once you're in the video, you realize it's not what the video is. It's projects that I'm interested in, that if the market's not looking like shit and the projects aren't looking like shit, they're ones that I'm interested in looking at. But they're mainly, and in the video I made this point multiple times, that their projects, a lot of them are just ones that I fuck with, that I fucked with since the summer, that I couldn't afford until now. And they're projects I've been looking at in this bear run. So if we keep going down and down and down, and Cool Cats is at like 1 or 2 ETH, and ETH is at $500 to $1,000 or something like that, that's a possibility for me to pick up, because that's actually not that expensive. You know, that'd be equivalent to like 1 ETH kind of thing. But like something like Cool Cats, like I have no idea what the future's gonna be. I just like them, and I've always wanted to be in them. I just didn't want to fork over 4 to 12 Ethereum when there was like at the height, when all their attention was up and shit like that. So I just want to make sure that you guys are watching my videos and keeping that in mind, that I'm a collector for the most part. I don't flip that many NFTs, to be honest. I don't really sell that many NFTs in comparison to a lot of the NFT YouTubers out there. A lot of my NFTs in my ledger, especially, are art pieces. I've got a few NFT like PFP collections that I love just to be part of. Some of them are networking pieces. Like, you need to understand, I'm a content creator. I'm not an NFT flipper. I'm a content creator first, right? I hold a Cool Man's Universe because I'm friends with Dan. I hold a SupDucks because I'm friends with Frankie, right? I hold a Crypto Goon because I'm friends with Sean and Sean and Joel, and we're friends. And it's like a networking style of partnership kind of thing, right? And I want to hold their project. So that's the main reason. That's why I hold like one of each kind of thing, right? Like I have one SupDuck, I have one Goon, I have 2 Cool Man, but I have decided I'm going to hold both. But that's kind of like where my head's at. Like, I'm a content creator. If you're not a content creator using NFTs as a way for networking a little bit, then you should not be looking at the things that I'm doing, because I'm not in the same boat as you. And a lot of these NFT YouTubers that you're looking at too have a lot more money than I do, and they don't mind throwing 5 Ethereum at this random gamble, because if they make any, like if say they pick 10 projects and one of them hits, likely they'll make their money back. So they're okay taking that risk. If you don't have disgusting amounts of money at your disposal, then, you know, gambling on NFTs, especially in this kind of market, is not smart. So just be very aware. Make sure you're auditing yourself and figuring out what is the best decision for yourself before you make any decisions in this market. It is just too risky to do some bullshit here. So yeah, listen, I appreciate everyone being in here. Thank you so much. If you're in this chat, and if you're watching this live right now, code word, I'm going to type it in. Code word is going to be, code word, I don't even know, Joyage. Because honestly, bro, after NFT NYC, I can't even tell you how bullish I am on the Joyous Kingdom. We made some unbelievable connections at this event. Like, I could not have predicted how lit that was. Like, I met some huge, really cool people, really interesting people, had some amazing conversations, and I'm very, very excited for the future of my brand, as well as NFTs. I hope you have a chance to go next year. I'm going to try and go to every NFT event after this last one, because it was so incredible. I met all my content creator friends, met a lot of founders, was able to speak with a lot of cool people, and it was just a blast. It was a really fucking fun time. I have a vlog coming out soon. You can see the podcast I did with Zerk, Bento Boy, Gavin, like literally all the NFT YouTubers were there on this podcast. We did one on a rock. We all filmed it in one. We're all like in a group, like huddled up in a group. We filmed the podcast. It's on my channel right now. The vlog's coming out in a few days, hopefully. We appreciate you all being here. So hit the like button for me if you're in this chat, especially smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Join the kingdom for more crypto and NFT business and lifestyle content every single fucking day. Follow me on Twitter if you're not already. Join the Discord down below in the description. Is that it? Yeah, that is it. Until next time, continue on your voyage. Continue to learn and be grateful you're alive watching this video. Bye.